Hello, my name is Buiko from LPD Teams. I'm the guy who can help you to launch HubSpot website with a GrowFast Theme if you're looking to merge your website and marketing efforts. In this video, I will walk through the main key features of the GrowFast Theme. I will show you how easy it is to use. You will learn why the GrowFast Theme is the only HubSpot theme you need, why it will become the #1 theme in the HubSpot asset marketplace, why it's so flexible, why you need to choose for your website, and why my service is so awesome. So are you ready? Let's jump into the video. Let's walk through the main key areas. The first thing we're going to do is go through the theme settings. That's where you apply all your brand styles, global layouts, global colors, fonts, typography styles, default buttons, and form styles. Then I will show you how flexible the theme with the global content editor. Next, I will walk through the header module and I will show you the limitless header option and the header variants you can build with this module. So let's go ahead and jump into the HubSpot CMS. Today we will create a demo homepage. Let's create new page. So right here we have all our GrowFast theme templates. Let's select the home template. Perfect. And let's dive into the theme settings first. Theme settings are settings that control brand styles, global layouts, global colors, fonts, typography styles, default buttons, and form styles. Alright, we click on Design tab right here to access the theme settings. I will click on this Edit button right here and it will bring up the theme settings. Let's walk through the all theme settings quickly to get an idea what the GrowFast theme is capable of. Alright, layouts. Here we can set the default vertical spacing for the section in the page editor. Maximum content width. Simply put, it's the default width of your website. Alright, here we have global colors, your primary and secondary colors. Body color is your website background color, and here are default error and button colors. Global fonts. The cool part of HubSpot CMS is that you can use any Google Web fonts you want. Typography. Here you can set any styles you want for your body text and headings. And here you can set your link and link hover colors. Here are button settings. Again, you can set any colors you want and select any Google font for the buttons. You have tons of options for the button settings, border width, border colors, corner radius. Here are all the default colors for the forms. So you have complete control over all colors to make your forms look awesome. Here we have all the table colors. And here we have default block settings. We can set header background color and image here. And here we can disable or enable author section, previous, next, post navigation or social media buttons. Let's go back. We have a bunch of excellent options for the scroll to top right here. So guys, that was a fast run through of the GrowFast theme settings. Now let's go ahead and look at the home template itself and I will show you how easy it is to use. Let's scroll down the page so we can see all modules and elements. Alright, let me to remove the team member module. I will click right here and now the section is empty. Let's add new module to this space. On this side we have all our available modules. Let's say we want to add this steps module. So we will take the module and drag and drop in this section. And now we have access to the module settings right here. We have only one item. Alright, let's clone it. We will do 3 steps module. Perfect. And let's quickly edit the content. We will click right here on the edit. Alright. And let's edit the third step too. Perfect. That was easy. Guys, now you have some experience removing and editing modules in the page editor. Let's move ahead and I will show you how to edit the global content editor and to customize the module within it. Alright, I will click on header global content. Global content is a super important part of HubSpot CMS. Any changes we apply to global content will be applied to all of the website pages. In our header global content we have header module, an essential part of your website. And it's super flexible module. Let me to show you why. It has 4 header variants, default layouts, off canvas menu, centered logo, and centered menu. We will select the off canvas menu and let's open the website preview quickly. Alright, the call to action is very close to the hamburger button, but the header module has all necessary settings to increase the spacing between these elements. Let's click right here. Awesome, it has an excellent navigation. The search form. We can display any content with a rich text here. And here our social media buttons and call to action button. We could also put a HubSpot form here. Let's go back and look at the centered logo header variant. We select it right here and let's click on the preview to see the result. Perfect, here is our centered header variant. Again, we can remove this button or adjust the spacing between these elements with the model settings. Okay guys, let's look at the last header variant. We will select the centered menu. Let's click on the preview button right here. Perfect. And here's our centered menu, another excellent header variant we can build with the GrowFast theme. Guys, remember, we have full control over navigation padding. Let's return to our default layouts and talk about other header settings. In the primary menu, we have complete control over menu styles and we can select our already created menus. In the mobile menu, we can select any other menu we want or build a new one. Here are colors for the mobile menu. We have full control over all menu colors. And here we can enable or disable rich text, social media, call to action buttons or HubSpot forms. Let's return to the main header settings. Guys, we can make the header transparent with this transparent header setting. I will activate transparent header and disable background color by setting it to the 0% opacity. Now let's click on the preview button to see the result. Perfect, we have created our transparent header with just a few clicks. Alright, let's close the preview page and come back to the header settings. Right here we can set the minimum header height and select our primary and secondary header colors. Here are logo settings and a language switcher for the multilingual projects. Here are search settings and our content section settings. And here we have call to action button. We can also add social media buttons or any HTML or text content with a rich text editor. Let me show you how. First, we will activate the rich text editor. For this example, I will type test text here. And now let's click on the preview button so we can see our changes. Perfect, and here is the test content we just added. Let's go back. We need to return to our header settings. Let me scroll down. Here are mobile header settings. What is great about GrowFast theme is that we have complete control over all elements in the modules. For example, here we have header height. We can set a responsive breakpoints for mobile header right here, and we can override the default logo. Here are settings for the transparent mobile header, and here are menu styles and colors. We can set the menu position for the mobile navigation right here, and here are the sticky header settings. Here's one of the most promising theme feature, Mega Menu. Let's open Mega Menu settings. Here we have complete control over the Mega Menu fonts and colors. We can set our menu header width or full width right here. We have a header width Mega Menu on the preview website. Let me show you what I mean by full width. We select full width right here and I click on the preview button to see the result. Perfect, here's our full width Mega Menu. Let's go back. Here's where we can create a new Mega Menu, clone an existing one, or edit it. Alright, let's open one of the Mega Menu. We can build Mega Menu with up to the 6th column. We can also select the desired column layouts. And guys, here is where the magic happens. We can add any text or HTML content we want to the column. If we want to add menu items, we can do it by clicking on this button. And here in the menu content editor, we can add or edit menu items. Guys, this was a quick run through of the GrowFast HubSpot theme. Do you have any question about using the theme? Or you're unsure if the GrowFast theme is good enough for your website? Let's talk. I'm here to help you. Contact me on my website. Your success is my mission. Let's talk. And one more thing. I have special limited offer for you. If you plan to migrate non-HubSpot site to the HubSpot or relaunch an outdated or unperformed HubSpot website, I will migrate or relaunch your website free of charge. I will help you to launch a winning HubSpot website in just 2 weeks. You pay for the theme only. You can find more about my free migration service and the migration process on my website or contact me directly with your questions. Your happiness is my happiness, and my goal is to help you to launch an outstanding HubSpot website in the most effective way.